What did you hear?
That she need to come.
Hey, look at this boy romancing my chest. Oh my God, this is how people live. This boy has been on the phone, sitting on his phone since. Now he just came up, he's pressing my chest.
Multiple entry. Because after that, you might go back again. There might be something.
Okay, I'll pick multiple entry. The thing is that this thing is so fucking tiny.
But in that,
No, remove one for person breast now.
in that sense, you get those separate you might get insurance policy of about
Okay, that's
6 months. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Slate it.
Rolling.
CU's Sen 11, Chief and Miriam.
Action.
Do you want more?
Oh, I'm open.
Hello, darling. So that's for you, Robert. That's for your transport. Okay?
Thank you very much, sir.
I am off for a meeting and might not meet you by the time I come back. So you take that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, baby.
Right, see you.
Drive carefully. See you later. Sorry, darling.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes. Mommy, why are you doing this to Dad?
Robert, you are not a child not to already know by now that I've moved on. I'm no longer with your father.
Please, forgive him. Please come back. Like, we need you now. Daddy needs you. I need you. You know we can't do without you. Please.
But you know I need you. You should stay here with me, okay? Stay with me so that Chief can send you to school. He can send you to any height, any level of education you want.
You know, I can't stay here. I can't. You please come back. Please. I'm begging you, come back.
Stop it now. Stay here with me now. And this is the place that you will be well taken care of. You will have everything you need. Don't tell your drunkard father.
Please come back. Daddy needs you now. Please. And besides, I can't stay here. His family are also here too.
He doesn't have a family. He lost his wife. He's a widower. So you see, your mother is not dragging another person's husband. Come and stay so that we'll take care of you. You need to go to good schools. Look at how rashes are on your face, eh?
I can't.
Look at your hair. You need a haircut. You have not cut your hair for weeks.
God, let's do his see.
Come on, sis.
Exactly.
Come on, sis.
Are you done?
Daddy, you mean one?
What you are
No, me?
Yeah. He's going to see you. I'm taking to see you. Come on, sis. Come on.
You are taking my
He's seeing
I'll take a shot, then take soon.
So,
While you were talking to and you were talking with her, so let me take a shot.
Cross see you, has cross see you, and he see you, and we are
Come on,
done.
So, who is the kid now?
This boy and mama doesn't know this. Me just walk.
I told him I'm too much money. Using money to fan myself. The money is so much. I'm just using it to fan myself.
so you said
Let me give you some money. Let me cash madam. I am a cash madam.
What's that?
Cash madam.
Know the money.
yeah, you know what I mean.
This guy is always so quiet. I've known
One
this
of
guy
those,
for a
But
while.
after then, there would have
Very
been
quiet
this
guy.
one more shot. I will just
Of
keep
old
it.
days. Endurance.
Eh?
OJ the guy.
Side of OJ endurance.
OJ is the real G. My D.
Powerful cinematographers and also
That one That one I
You
just
know what I'm
like.
saying?
And the PM
And we'll have our
is also
script
OJ.
writer, Madam Rita.
See this man, no, see this small man. I got a problem.
And the
person.
PM is Emmanuel Otiko.
Yes.
It's an OJ man.
He's a problem man.
But yeah, let's go.
Aya, let's go. Let's go. Let's
Give
go.
me life. Give me life.
Gaffer.
We are already in the city
The person
of.
who took my
Have you
fan.
ordered from it?
Make
Should
up.
at least bring
Make
it
up.
to
That
them
my
and
friend.
dine.
Bring.
Not people carry the thing, go
Because I know
for
we
their
put
house.
After
Kind
this
of
one, I will
rubbish.
take one more shot.
Cool people like this.
Eh?
After this, I will take one more shot. That one, you will just throw the money. You just spend the money.
But you know stone am now.
I'll do a slider shot on this thing. I will slide, come here.
Okay.
You go throw the money. Bam.
Anyhow, I want to do am Ezekiel.
What is the one?
It's DOP shot.
When you are winning awards now, you won't tell them it's Ezekiel that is giving you headache. Now make sure that your headache was double so that you will click alarm.
I think it's DOP shot now in business.
Has he not been since afternoon when I tell her?
You carry this thing, go and know it. Look at it.
Ezekiel, when are you getting married?
When I see a beautiful woman.
So all the ones that you have seen, you come.
They are pretty, but they're not beautiful.
Are we ready to rock and roll?
All the ones I've been seeing, they are pretty, but they're not beautiful. Just like I've seen ice, no cake. So that's why. So I need
really?
ice and cake.
There's no perfect woman.
Okay, the pop.
Lizzie Charles, why have you not said yes to Ezekiel?
Ezekiel, when they talk, say he himself, is it an easy man? Ezekiel that is talking, Ezekiel na every difficult man be. As you see Ezekiel swim, wahala wey dey in body too plenty.
Are we ready?
Yes, announce it.
Go far.
I didn't say yes to go far because
Please,
he's
what
a
are we
very
taking?
stubborn guy and
So I should just throw it that
You
way.
didn't say yes.
You know, catch it.
It's better you didn't say yes. That guy.
No, just.
Not after this one. But this one, you just come, you peck, and you leave.
But
can't beg, I must
he
do
needs
this.
a,
Yeah, you give, yeah, once you give, you peck and leave. Then the next shot, I will just come, take where you throw the money.
Ezekiel needs a woman that will pamper him.
Thank you.
yeah, I need a man that will pamper me.
That's what's up. That's what's
Because
up.
his job
That's
is
what's
very
up.
stressful.
And
To
me,
be
I need
very
a man that will
honest.
pamper me.
To
So
be a man that is standing behind a movie camera, and that man needs excess pampering. Because it's no easy, man.
They're down,
Everybody is resting. The only people that don't rest is director and DOP. Continuity, light man, sound man.
Torture.
You see those people, they need people who will pet them. Anybody that is going to date them or marry them should pet them. Let me limit again. Cameraman, light man, sound man, movie director,
Love potions, why?
continuity,
What of
an actor.
I'll send message. Okay, Sandman has not married, so no message to.
Aya, let's go.
Right.
If you see them, pamper them.
Emmanuel Otiko, when are you getting married? This is your life. Tell the world.
I tell you, say I define wife. I have kids, I don't need wife. I have 3 women that are pregnant for me.
Alright, Daddy.
At the same time.
Alright, let's go.
Slate. You just said this on live TV.
We'll take aside you.
You're not seeing me. Are you seeing me?
I'm seeing you.
Was I wearing my
So I
glasses?
should still go far.
Yeah, thank you. Good there. Good.
see yous. Scene 11, Mariam and Rivers. Take
Speed.
one.
Robert, speak up here.
3,
No more.
2,
Speak up.
1.
Don't move.
Action.
Do you want more?
I'm looking. Thank you.
Yeah, well, darling. Yeah, Robert, that's for your transport. I am off for a meeting and might not meet you when I get back. Okay?
Thank you very much, sir.
That's
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
That's it, buddy.
See you later, baby.
Thank you,
Next
sir.
time.
Sorry, darling.
Thank you. Mommy, why are you doing this to Daddy?
Robert, you are not a child not to already know by now that I have moved on. I'm no longer with your father.
Mom, please, I'm begging you. Forgive him. We need you now. I need you. We need you. We need you back. We need you now more than ever. Please. You know we can't do without you. Please.
It's okay, but eat your food. Eh? You need to stay here with me. Stay here with me so that Chief can send you to school. He will send you to any height of level of education that you want. Eh? He will give you good things. Holidays abroad and you will be fine. Not that your drunkard father.
No, Mom. I can't stay here. I can't.
Bobo, stay here with me. Please, stay here so that you have mosquito bites and rashes on your body. Eh? Stay here, please.
You know, what about his family?
Chief lost his wife a while ago. He's a widower. So you see, your mother is not dragging anybody's husband.
I can see. Can't.
It's okay, just eat your food. Yeah, eat your food first. Finish your food.
Have you forgiven Daddy?
Eat your food now.
Why they rush the rice?
It's well.
Okay, cut.
Why they rush the rice?
Is that the last cut? Is that the last thing?
God, stop eating the rice. Wait, it's like he wants to do something.
Don't let anybody do it.
Eh?
I'm tired. You said you want to get
You
the
tried,
41.
yes. Said you,
It has ended. This is the last thing.
What you give me to that?
Sir?
Put the other inside.